Alright, here we are today. I'm actually going to be working on my washing machine. This is a Maytag, same as Whirlpool. I hear that they go down the same assembly lines or something. But anyways, this machine has thrown this fault code here, I'll show you. And the wash had quit, clothes were soaking wet, and we got this code here. And I would point out this machine's only 3 years old as well. So here you see this, we have this F7E1. Now I have done some research and determined the part that I'm hope is at fault here. I'll show you what that looks like. So this here is the shift actuator that we're going to put on the bottom. And this is, I had to wait on this for a few days. This is an actual Whirlpool part. The part number is right there, that W. That's the part number you need. So very first thing, I'm going to get back here and unplug this. And my valves are down here. Yours may be in a different place, so I'm just going to disconnect the hoses at the valves. Of course, some water will drain out, so I'll put a pan down here. And it's not a bad idea to replace these seals that you have in these little washer hoses. You can get a whole kit of these. And just in case, sometimes when you disturb them, they want to leak. Okay, so we got the majority of the water drained out of these. Just going to lift this one out, simple enough. Okay, now you'll note I've got this rug. If you don't have anything down here, you may want to put something down, some cardboard or whatever to lay your washer on so you're not scratching the front of it up. So I'm just going to tilt it up here on its front. Okay, so there I got it sitting on its front, no big deal. The lid may try to swing up a little bit. I'm going to spin it around here where I can give you a good view. Now I would point out, because this thing malfunctioned, I did have some residual water. If you have some in there like mine, just get you a towel, soak it up. It's not a big deal. So I'll just back up here and give you a view of this. So this is just the bottom of the tub here. We got this little shroud. We're going to take this off. A 5/16 or an 8 millimeter will work. So this would be a good time to inspect any of the other components. Make sure that nothing looks broken. So this is our capacitor here. I'm sure we could have problems with that as well, but we do have power. Okay, so this is the part in question. You want to take note of how it attaches to this part. Like I said, I didn't fully look into this. I understand how all this works, but you know, basically this switches it from one mode to the next, from agitating to spinning, and keeps all that in line. So we've got a connector right here. We need to press down and disconnect that. It's pretty simple. And then we're going to have two of these screws. You can see these green screws here. As long as I don't drop it, I may need to get a magnet. We got the other one over here. So this is going to lift. See how that little arm comes right out of that. So we'll want to put that back the same way. Alright, so we got our new one. We're just going to slip that right back on there. slip it right back where it goes. Now going back, we'll just use a Phillips screwdriver here. We don't want to get too carried away with it. Right, and that's good enough. All right, there we have it. That's simple. And we'll go ahead and get our cover back in place here. And it helps when you turn it around the right way. Alright, I'll get that water out there and we're ready to set this back up. I'm just going to replace these while I'm at it. Alright, so we'll get these turned on and check these for leaks. And if we have any leaks, then we'll snug them up a little more. So far, so good. We'll get her plugged back in. Okay, so I've just loaded it up with some clothes here, got it on a normal wash cycle. And before replacing this part, it would have immediately threw that code there. And it's, you know, like before it even started putting the water in there, it pretty much threw the code. So we got it on a wash cycle. It's been running here probably about 5 minutes or so. And I'm going to run it through a load, may wash some more, just see how it does. Like I said, I didn't do any calibration or anything. And I don't see that being an issue here. I don't think we're reprogramming something, it's just a part. But anyways, I'm going to wash some more and we'll follow up here. But anyways, a pretty easy fix. Alright, so we've almost went through a complete cycle. I don't think there's going to be any more issues at all. This has like been running perfectly. So if you're having an F7E1 code, most likely this part is going to be your problem most of the time. So I think that's going to do it for the video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.